Year 5 at St Anne's Catholic Primary in Huyton. Our school is close to 2 railway stations, Huyton and Roby.
And they've both been around forever, haven't they?
Well, it turns out they haven't. They arrived here in the 1830s, and we've been learning all about the changes that the railways brought to our area.
We've been up and down, forward and back. Full steam ahead, but right on track. And learnt more about our railways and how they changed our local area.
Is that Huyton Quarry?
And now we are going to share the story with you.
What happened here actually changed the world.
It's a story of competition, invention, money,
And catastrophe.
So welcome aboard and enjoy our look at how Huyton and Roby were part of the story that changed the world.